Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 19. Now, as you can see here, guys, I have a video here within DaVinci Resolve. It's a video of me doing a tutorial. I'm going to play it so that you can hear it for a moment. All right, so that's the video, guys, and I have the subtitle file for this video, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to import that step by step. So once you're inside DaVinci Resolve and you have your video and you have your subtitle file, I'm going to show you that I have the subtitle file here. This is subtitle file. It's a SRT file, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to import that. So what you want to do, simple click on File on the upper left hand side, and you have import. Now once you click on import, you have the option that says subtitle. If you click on that, you'll see that it opens up your file explorer, and here it detects the subtitle file, the SRT file. So I can click on that, then click on open. Now once I import that file, guys, I have the SRT file here. Now how do I actually add this subtitle file onto my timeline? I can import a track, so I can right click anywhere, guys, and I can say add SRT file, or I can say add subtitle track. Once I click on that, now I can drag my SRT file onto that track, and as you can see, it started to detect, and I can just let it go, and it's going to add the subtitle to that track. Keep in mind that if you have subtitles here, you want to ensure that it is not blocked, and as you can see, mine is currently blocked. So all I have to do is just simply click on enable subtitle track, and it's going to enable the subtitle track there. Now once I do that, guys, I can just simply go ahead and start playing that. You need to ensure that it is aligned properly, so you can simply Control A on your keyboard and drag it all towards the right hand side to ensure that everything is selected all the way up to the side. And that's it. Now let's go ahead and hear it and see the subtitles on the video, guys. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to import subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 19. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.